buddy. Climb the tree. Climb the tree. Go on. Climb the tree. Buddy, climb the tree. There is the cat he's trying to get. Right there in the crotch of the tree. Go on, buddy. You can climb it. Go on. Climb the tree. Go on. Wow, that's the highest you ever got. You gonna be able to get down now? Uh-oh, are you stuck? Okay, buddy, come on down. Can you make it? What you gonna do, buddy? What you gonna do? You gonna stay up there for a while? What you gonna do, huh? Buddy, come on down. There's the cat. There's your nemesis. Actually, one of your best friends. Okay, come on, get down. There you go.